Greetings to all of the followers. Sabi ni Sarah kahapon, mas masakit pa raw ang breakup sa boyfriend kaysa sa kanyang kakaharapin na impeachment trial. Ang sabi naman ni Jimmy Carter, the former US President, at timbangin natin silang dalawa nang bumaba itong si Jimmy sa White House. When I left the White House, I was in despair, Carter said. I had put everything I owned, a very successful business, in a blind trust. I found during the 4 years I was in the White House, I had accumulated a debt of $1 million. I had no way to pay it off. He was going to move back to Georgia, but there were no job opportunities there. When he was essentially thrown out at the end of his first term, he suffered a deep depression. Isang Pangulo ng Amerika na labis na nalungkot at nasaktan nung mga panahon na pababa na siya sa kapangyarihan, at isang babae na cool pag umarap sa television. Ang tanong, totoo kaya ang ipinapakita niyang matamis na mga ngiti kapag hinaharap niya ang mga tao? It is really true. Passing of time makes a person prim and proper in the outside. Thank you. It all depends upon you, people, to judge what I said. God bless.